Today, we're here to commission a project, and I thank you. I've listened to what you said, that I should advise Labour people that they should be careful about the state. I will talk to them. Me and them will negotiate. I'll say, Oga Sikwana, Enyendeba. So, Arab State, Arab Line Center. Is it not? If we leave state for them, it will leave federal for us now. So, we will negotiate it. You know you're in charge. And we will not quarrel with you. Anybody who quarrels with you doesn't know what he's doing. I will not try it. I'm begging. Please, give us this one. Take all the worst one. We will come out for you. I will accommodate them in the other one. When they come, I will accommodate them. That one, we are sure. I assure you of our commitment to build a better Nigeria. Our past will not be our future. Those people are our past. And that represent the future of Nigeria. And I've told Nigerians, hold me responsible. I know what it takes to turn around this country. I will not give an excuse. I will change Nigeria. But when I come for campaign, you hear me. But all I want Nigerians to do, take it on tape, that I said, I know the problem of Nigeria. Nigeria is not productive. Rivers State have the biggest port. The deepest part of the ocean is in Port Harcourt Ocean Terminal. That alone can give Nigeria a reasonable revenue. I've said it before, that every part of Nigeria, I'll give a future. I've told the North, the vast land is our next oil. Because we cultivate it, Nigeria must feed itself. And I've told the people of the Southwest, you'll be the financial center. The East will be our manufacturing hub. We will route the East to rivers where we will export goods from, so Port Harcourt will remain the export city of this country. We will do it. But we will explain what we are going to do. We believe in here. I thank our people, my fellow traders. We have a governor that is giving us a chance. I will assure you, trading, the reason why Nigeria is not doing well is that Nigeria is not manufacturing and trading. Nigeria will trade itself out of this. We want to encourage traders, and I assure you, what our government wants to do is that wealth must come with enterprise. We don't want people who have made wealth without enterprise. The traders must trade, because it's trading that makes a nation. We will trade the goods we are going to manufacture. So we are sure Governor Wike that will continue to work with him, continue the path you're trading, remain consistent. It is not easy when you're saying the truth. It is not easy when you seek the agreement. You have all those who live off the confusion as your enemy. You have all those who believe in lies as your enemy. You have all those who have believe in not keeping promise as your enemy. I had them. You're not what you told me, I know of. So I assure you of my commitment. I assure you that I will continue to come. But above all, I'm begging you, do not Remember this agreement today. I'm kneeling down and begging. Take this one. Give me this one. I'll show you, I'll keep faith. The one I'll take, I use it also to ensure that River State becomes greater and better. May God Almighty continue to bless you and the good people of River State and Nigeria. Let us build a better Nigeria. Next year's election, my dear people, will not be based on tribe. I don't want people to vote for me because I'm an Igbo man or because I'm Southeast. It's not going to be by tribe. There's no place people from the north, east, or west buy bread cheaper. It will not be based on tribe. That was yesterday. We will not base it on religion. There's no church that buys bread cheaper or unlimited electricity. I've said it. The Queen gave the land for the mosque in London free. It cost several millions. In Dubai, the Emir of Dubai gave the Kali Church land and built their church for free. So nobody should tell us the religion here. Or you show me where Muslims or Christians buy bread cheaper, or have cheaper food, or have light or water. You see, Wike is building road now. This road will be passed by everybody, Muslim, Christian, those who don't go to church, those who everybody. That's what we want to hear. Not that you're a Muslim, you are this. And it's not by my turn, it's turn of Nigerians to take back their country. So let nobody say it is turn. Next year's election will be based on character we can trust. If you say you're going to fight corruption, let's see what you use the money which passed through your hand. Maybe as governor, maybe as anything. What did you use the money to do? Wike is showing his result now. Nobody will say, you don't know where River State money is. It's in this bridge. That is what we want to hear. We want to have people who are competent. This Wike is not showing competence. That is what we want. We don't want anybody to tell us this. We can't trust you. The entire land they gave you in a state, you allocated it to yourself, to your concubine, to your children, to everybody. I said, trust me again. No. We now want you. Wike is not the contractor here. It's Julius Berger. Wike is not the revenue collector for River State. Is he? Did you see Wike in anything? Is there any company Wike formed? I collected money for River State. Not be when you go, people say, oh, Peter Obi invested in this, Peter Obi did this, Peter Obi did that. I said, go and see the banks that put money. One of the MD of the bank where I left money is for River State. How about Wike? Go and tell him, I left $15 million and over 10 billion naira in the bank. And I was not owing any contract. I was not owing salary. So, this time, we want to verify your past. You go to sort a testimonial. Testimonial Wike is showing today is the bridge. 9. You do 10 next week. 9 be his own testimonial. Don't come and tell us you started the construction and somebody obstructed it and people protested in it. We want to see the completion. He had built law school for federal government. Federal government didn't build it, oh. It's him that is building it. So you do state one, you do federal one. Sir, I go recognize you more when I'm there because you are doing the work. So I assure you, next year's election will be based on capacity, ability to deliver. You see what Wike is saying now? He's doing this job because he has the mental energy and physical energy. It is not retirement home. We have to deal with it. So I assure you of our commitment. I assure you of our commitment to a better Nigeria. We will continue to work with the good people people of Rivers State, take me as one of yours. Take me as one of you. I belong to you. That he believes in what I'm doing.